Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to do handstand.
The headstand pose, also known as Sirsasana, is a challenging inversion that offers numerous benefits to both the physical and mental health of a practitioner. It helps improve balance, focus, and coordination, as well as relieve stress and tension in the body. Additionally, it increases blood flow to the brain, strengthens the core muscles, and can even help reduce headaches and relieve mild depression. Overall, the headstand pose is a powerful tool for enhancing overall well-being and connecting the mind and body through yoga practice. To do the headstand pose, start by standing at the top of your mat. Place your forearms on the ground shoulder distance apart and walk your legs up the wall, bringing your body into a V shape with your hips over your shoulders. Keep your legs straight and engage your core muscles as you begin to bring your weight over your forearms and onto your head. Hold the pose as long as you can, engaging your abdominal muscles and keeping your gaze focused on a point in front of you to maintain balance. To come out of the pose, slowly bend your legs and roll back down onto your mat. The headstand pose has a range of benefits including 1. Increased blood flow to the brain, 2. Improved focus and concentration, 3. Strengthened core muscles and improved balance, 4. Relief from stress and tension, 5. Improved lymphatic drainage, 6. Increased energy levels, 7. Improved circulation throughout the body, 8. Enhanced digestion, 9. Better sleep. Before attempting the headstand pose, it's important to take a few safety measures. 1. Make sure your shoulders and upper back are strong enough to support your body weight. 2. If you have a history of high blood pressure, neck or back problems, or eye issues, consult your doctor before performing the pose. 3. If you are pregnant, avoid doing the pose to prevent any potential risks. 4. Always practice under the supervision of a trained yoga instructor. 5. Listen to your body and stop if you feel dizzy or experience any pain or discomfort. In Hindi, the headstand pose is called Sirsasana, which is derived from the word Siras, meaning head, and Asana, meaning pose or position. It is a powerful and challenging inversion that involves balancing on the head and upper arms, providing numerous benefits to the mind and body. The pose requires a strong upper body and core strength as well as excellent flexibility and balance, and is typically practiced by experienced yogis. Some potential benefits of the headstand pose include improved circulation, increased focus and mental clarity, and strengthened core muscles.
I hope you like our video. Thank you for watching our channel.